Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of spacetime. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014 with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Polygon, Matic, and Filecoin, Fil, increase collaboration to integrate into metaverse and NFT spaces. Polygon deepens integration with Filecoin as part of the partnership. Filecoin and Polygon have begun to create grants and hackathons in order to assist dev teams and NFT projects that use Polygon blockchain to integrate with Filecoin and Interplanetary File System, IPFS. Polygon is one of the so-called Ethereum killers that have been attempting to solve ETH bottlenecks. Like high gas fees and slow validation of transactions, it has become popular with NFT projects and DLT game makers. After that, Polygon Studios was created in order to support game devs and NFT projects working with Web 3.0. However, at the same time, a large number of teams that are making play-to-earn and NFT-related projects have become interested in IPFS and Filecoin, since those platforms provide provable and decentralized ways to store metadata and media like videos. New opportunities for NFT and metaverse devs last year, Filecoin and Polygon together launched the Mars Hackathon, which has been visited several times by over 1,500 dev teams, seeking to build new dApps using the bridge created by Filecoin and Polygon. Among them were dApps aimed at the spheres of NFTs, metaverse, digital art, etc. Besides, Polygon allows developers to build NFTs on the basis of Polygon and store them on IPFS and Filecoin. A special tutorial has been written for this addressed to developers. Besides, a grant of $5,000 has been announced for projects that are eligible for integrating IPFS and Filecoin. The next news: Filecoin will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend. Filecoin, Fil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last 6 months, bulls could barely initiate a sustainable rally and succumb to the long-term bearish trendline resistance, white, dashed. The alt now aim to enter into a tight phase in the $18-$20 mark before testing its critical support and making a trend comical move. At press time, Fil traded at $18.38, down by 2.37% in the last 24 hours. Over the past year, Fil lost more than 92% of its value and witnessed a rather swift downturn. The alt saw two descending triangles in the last 6 months as the bears displayed their one-sided dominance. Consequently, it fell below its near-term EMAs while forming a sturdy trendline resistance. Not surprisingly, the super trend remained in the red zone since September of last year. With the recent fall, Fil fell towards its all-time low on 24 February at the $16 mark. The sellers have been pushing the peaks below, while the buyers try to cope up at the $18 support. From here on, immediate support becomes the most vital price point for the bulls. If the price finds a close above this level, it would most likely enter into a squeeze phase between the $18-$20 range before falling back further. Any close below the $18 mark would trigger a selling signal, as the bears could try to find newer lows. The RSI has been oscillating sideways, while the price marked lower peaks. This reading kept the bullish revival hopes alive from the $18 mark. Its immediate trendline support at the 36 mark would be vital for the bulls to defend. The MACD has rather taken a back foot as its histogram lunged below the zero line, while the lines were on the verge of a bearish crossover. Conclusion: Fil truly walked on thin ice now. The buyers must uphold the $18 support to prevent a major fallout. In which case, a near-term tight phase around its point of control would be likely before the alt falls back into its long-term trend. Besides, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement and the broader sentiment would be important to complement the aforementioned analysis. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Fil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil Rate Prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil Price Prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin Price Prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin Course Forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil Price Prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil Price Prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin Price Prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin Price Prediction 2029.